Digital marketing has become one of the most sought after skills today, and it is allowing people to earn insane amounts of money irrespective of past experience or age. But how can you start your career in digital marketing, especially if you're starting today? Is it too late to start? Is the industry already too saturated? And what's the best way to learn digital marketing if you want to succeed truly in the industry? Let's find out. My name is Puneet Tandon and this is Young Urban Project, and today I will give you a roadmap on how you can make a career in digital marketing and succeed in it. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get more videos like this one. I put them up every week. This video is going to be your ultimate guide if you want to become a digital marketer and get a high-paying job in the field, or start a business, or start freelancing. I'm going to reveal all the secrets, strategies, and tactics that most digital marketing gurus don't want you to know. This video is slightly long because of everything I'm going to cover in this, but I would suggest you watch this completely. Let's first talk about the potential of digital marketing right now. People keep asking me if it is too late to get into digital marketing or if the industry is too saturated. So here's the deal. It's not. Digital marketing is a very recent skill if you compare it with other prevalent skills. It is preposterous to think that the industry is too saturated already. In my opinion, it's just the opposite. Digital marketing is just getting started. It's such a constantly evolving industry that there is a new technology or change every 2 to 3 months. If you know something today, you might still have to learn more in a few months, and you will have to keep doing this forever. For example, all this started with search engine marketing. There were experts in the 2000s who thought the industry was competitive. And then came email marketing. Then came social media marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, and there are new things coming every now and then. With each evolution, digital marketing branches out into new things, which allows for entry of new people in the industry. So don't worry about being too late. If you start today, it is probably the best time to enter the industry. Do you agree with this? If yes, write yes in the comments. I'm actually very curious to know that. The next question I get is, does digital marketing pay well? So here's the truth, and it might sound a little blunt to some, but if you've been following Young Urban Project in the past, you know that I like being honest with my advice. So here's the thing, like all careers, digital marketing also requires blood and sweat. The more you put those in, the better reward you will get. You might have to start at an entry level, and people will rarely pay you big money when you start off. I know you've seen ads from digital gurus claiming to help you make 7 figures or 8 figures instantly. It might be possible in a one-off case, but in most cases, it will take time, hard work, and patience to reach that level. Even those gurus, the ones that have genuinely done well, have been doing this for years. I wouldn't prefer calling myself a guru or a master, but I've been doing this for almost 7 years now, so that's been a long time. But let me tell you the good news. If you play your cards right from the beginning, and through this video I will guide you how to do that, your growth can be exponential. There is a dearth of skilled talent in digital marketing right now. There are a lot of high-paying positions available, but a lot of times the people aren't skilled well enough to crack those interviews. I have taken hundreds of interviews for entry-level to mid-level positions in my teams, and this has been my first-hand experience. A lot of people think that they are digital marketers, but all they have is surface level knowledge and do not have a deep understanding of digital marketing from a business point of view. But when a right candidate comes along, companies are willing to pay above average because ROI-based digital marketing can help grow a company's revenue, which is valued by any company. And if you want to start a business or become a freelancer, digital marketing can help you get leads, clients, and sales without having any prior experience in it. I am on a mission to train digital marketers that bridge this gap between industry expectation and skill set. The idea is to create practitioners that can deliver for real instead of just knowing superficial knowledge. That's the objective of my new practical digital marketing live course. I will be beginning the enrollments into my upcoming cohort. So if you are interested, click on the link in the description if you are watching this on YouTube. or click on the link in bio if you are watching this on Instagram. So how do you start learning digital marketing? The best thing about digital marketing is you don't need any previous experience or education in it. It doesn't matter how old you are or what part of the world you are from. If you're passionate enough and learn it the right way, you'll be able to crack it. There is no hard and fast rule on how to learn digital marketing. Different people have done it differently and have got different results. Ideally, there are 4 ways to do that. Self-learn by researching online, purchase a paid online course, learn on the job, or join a physical or online institute. You can self-learn by various resources online. YouTube has a huge number of free videos that can help you get started. The only problem is there is so much content out there that it's difficult to separate the good one from the bad one, and the videos are scattered and they don't follow a certain track. It's not easy to get a 360-degree practical knowledge just using free content. Plus, YouTube can get distracting. 1 minute you're learning digital marketing, another minute you're watching cute cat videos. But if you're really inclined and don't want to spend money yet, you can self-learn it. The second way is to purchase a paid online course. Mostly these are pre-recorded courses which you can watch at your own convenience. Again, after COVID, online course creation has boomed. I feel that a lot of people just started putting out courses for the sake of making money. This means that you will have to make sure that you are selecting a legit person's course that will truly help you learn. So if you want to purchase a digital marketing course, you can choose either from organized platforms like Coursera or Simply Learn, or you can choose from individual creators that are selling D2C. There are also aggregator websites like Udemy that give low-cost courses, but finding a real good quality course out there out of thousands of courses is like finding a needle in a haystack. There are also some specific courses from Facebook Blueprint, Google Garage, and HubSpot Academy. Most of these courses are good, but they aren't holistic and won't give you a 360-degree understanding of digital marketing. There is also a free digital marketing basics course in Hindi from Young Urban Project that I will link in the description. If you are a beginner, it will help you get started. The third way to learn digital marketing is by learning on the job. It is actually how I learned it. I got out of college and worked in e-commerce space for some time. That's where I got exposed to digital marketing and I got really excited about it. Then I went to work with some agencies where I worked with some of the largest brands out there, and then I moved to brand management and strategy with a large brand before eventually starting Young Urban Project. I'm being honest when I say that I didn't know anything about digital marketing when I took up my first job. Truthfully, I didn't know anything and wasn't even sure if it was the right thing for me. But then, when I saw what it could do for businesses, I got so excited and I thought I want to try it out. So I started sitting with people who were doing email marketing and paid advertising, and I started observing just what they did. I realized that I had a natural knack for it and I kind of was a quick learner. One thing led to another and I ended up doing some great work with some amazing people and got a little bit of recognition in the industry. But the thing is, I did not do any course. I don't even think there were many courses out there around that time. So I kept learning on the job, made mistakes, learned some more. But here's the thing. I know it's not always possible to land a job that will allow you to learn freely. I understand that. That's why I believe that it's great to work with startups. Startups don't have rigid rules like large companies, and that allows you to do cross-functional learning. It could be hectic working with startups, but when you are starting out, go all in. You'll thank yourself later. And that brings me to the fourth way of learning digital marketing. Join a digital marketing physical or online institute. If you have tried the other things and are still not confident if they will help you make it happen, then getting professional mentorship is the absolute best way to go. I'm not talking about pre-recorded courses. I'm talking about live, real-time, interactive classes. This will not only allow you to learn in a much more effective way, but also allow you to get access to industry experts who might not be readily or easily available. In my experience, live classes are much more better than pre-recorded ones. You can learn in real time, ask questions as and when you have them, and you can have meaningful conversations with real people instead of later posting your doubts on some private Facebook group. Now, here's the problem that I see in this. Most physical institutes and even some online institutes are charging crazy, outrageous amounts for digital marketing courses. I'm seeing fees like 70,000 rupees to even 1.5, 2 lakh rupees. They will lure you with the names of employees from big brands that will teach you in the course. But in my first-hand experience, most of these people aren't real practitioners. They're planning or strategy people who have agencies and teams to execute things for them. A lot of those classes, they're theoretical in the garb of teaching you strategy, but the names of companies they work for are used by the institutes to lure you into paying hefty amounts. In my opinion, if you want to become an expert, you need to first learn the execution and tactics and then move to strategy. That's the logical progression irrespective of the industry. And I've always believed that people who are real practitioners in the industry, who are running their own shows, getting their hands dirty, they are the best ones who will be able to teach you. They are the best teachers out there. Another tactic that I'm seeing being used by some prominent B schools is the bait of a certificate and an alumni status. Again, I want to be honest with you on this. I and my peers have been interviewing candidates for years at various levels in digital marketing. One thing we all agree on is those certificates and those big B school names don't matter when it comes to getting a job, especially in digital marketing. What matters is your hands-on practical skill. What have you done that proves that you can call yourself a digital marketer? Have you created your own digital assets? Have you created your own campaigns? Have you run ads yourself? What were the results of those ads? Have you grown traffic on your own or a client's website? This is what the interviewers are looking for. Let me tell you something. Almost all the experts in the industry currently aren't from those B schools. That's the beauty of this industry. It is democratic that way. You don't need a pedigree alumni status to make it big here. And those certificates, they are lesser in value than the paper they are printed on. I want you to remember this the next time you think about spending those huge amounts on such courses. Having said that, there are some well-known names out there that are running good digital marketing courses right now. I had been speaking to so many people who wanted to learn digital marketing, but realized that there was a huge gap between the talent expectations from the industry and the talent that most institutes are producing. I strongly feel that digital marketing training has to be provided by making learners work on live projects along with classroom teaching in real time. And that is how I created my flagship digital marketing course. It's completely practical and result-oriented learning program where learners will implement and learn all the aspects of digital marketing in real time. So when they come out of the course, they will be ready for any business challenge in jobs or their own businesses. This course will be a mentor-led live workshop where the community will stay together even after the course is over, and it will have industry projects from real brands to work on. If you are interested to join the upcoming cohort, then you can register your interest using the link in the description or the bio. So these were the 4 ways of learning digital marketing. I really hope this was helpful and gave you some good sense on this. In my next video, which is the next part of this series, I will discuss whether you should become a digital marketing specialist or a generalist. I will also talk about how to become a T-shaped marketer. If you would like to see that, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by pressing the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. If you have any questions about this whole thing that we've discussed, ask me in the comments and I will answer them for you. That's it for today. I will see you next week in another video on digital marketing. My name is Puneet Tandon. This is Young Urban Project. Until next time.